In this video, I'm going to show you how you can 10x your income with affiliate marketing. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a training of how you can 10x your income with affiliate marketing. If you're just getting started and you are like, Diana, my income right now is zero. Does this work for me? Definitely, because chances are that on this video, you're going to find the missing piece so you can start earning with affiliate marketing. If you are brand new and you haven't select anything, and by anything I mean the product that you're going to be promoting, the niche and all the stuff, this video is going to cover it all. And if you are right now struggling, you're getting a commission every now and then, but not really consistently, not life-changing money, watch this video, okay? So, first of all, let me explain what is affiliate marketing in a nutshell, okay? So, let's use my whiteboard here really fast. And literally, this is what we do as an affiliate marketer. It's a business model that has been around for a really long time, so this is not something new. And to be honest, guys, for me, it's one of the easiest business model because we don't have to create a product. We don't have to create a service. We are going to be promoting products and services that we already like. For example, we have Sony. They do have an affiliate program. We have Walmart. They do have an affiliate program. And we have Nike. They do have an affiliate program. So tons of companies out there do have an affiliate program. So we're going to have someone here who create a product. So we're going to use P here to create a product. And we're going to have someone here, okay, who it's looking for a solution. Maybe they're looking for new pairs of sneakers, or maybe they're gonna looking to to buy a TV. Okay, so I'm gonna put here a customer, and they want your feedback. They want your opinion. They want to know like how everything works. So this is actually you, and you're telling them like, hey, you're looking for this. Check out this information. Okay, use this link. There is no additional cost. Okay, and you can purchase it. Okay. When the sales is made, you are going to be earning a commission. So literally, this is how affiliate marketing works. Okay. Nowadays, there are several ways in which we can drive traffic. What do I mean by traffic? It's literally eyeballs, people who are looking for the product or service that we're promoting. So right now we have this YouTube channel. Okay. Let me write it this way because it's going to be faster. Okay, right now we have this YouTube channel, we have TikTok, we have Instagram, okay, we have Facebook, we have vlogs, even forums, okay, but I'm going to be talking about things that you quote unquote own because this is actually not for you. So we have YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, blogs, and other ways in which you are going to be finding people who are looking. I'm going to write here YouTube. Okay. Who are looking for the product or service that you're promoting. And we're going to delete this. But what people usually do is like, hey, okay, I'm going to find this and I'm going to send these guys directly to the sales page. Because that's how affiliate marketing works. No, guys, you should not be doing this because this is like a hit and miss strategy. So what do I mean by this? That you're going to have just one opportunity to earn a commission. And if they're gone, they're gone. Okay. It doesn't matter if you're using paid advertising or if you're using free advertising. I suggest you to start with free traffic. Okay. So you can create a Facebook reel. You can create an Instagram reel. You can create a TikTok reel, okay? But this is not the way you should do it. This is the reason why a lot of people get frustrated because they are not getting the results because they are trying the hit and miss strategy. What you need to do, okay? First of all, you need to create a brand, okay? And by brand, I mean, for example, I have my channel, which is Diana Castillo Moneymaker Area. Okay. If you go to my social networks, it's just my name, Diana Castillo, but it can be just Moneymaker Area. So it can be a personal brand, or it can be just the name of a brand, okay, that you just made it up. But there is something really important, guys, is that there is the know, like, and trust factor, okay? People buy from people they know, they like, and they trust, okay? People resonate with your content, and that's the reason why they're gonna go ahead and they're gonna grab their recommendation, okay? Then brand needs to be related, or it needs to be all about a niche, okay? All about a niche, but not a product. Okay, what do I mean? Not about all about the niche and not the product. Okay, let's go, for example, with Nike. Nike, they do have a lot of sneakers, okay, and even clothing. So I can go and I can talk to those who love running. Okay, that's gonna be my niche. But if I focus on just one sneaker, hey, what happened if someone already purchased that sneaker? Okay, we're affiliate marketing. We have a lot of opportunities out there. We have a lot of products that we can promote. Okay, so the brand needs to be around the niche. Okay, I'm gonna change the color. Okay, it needs to be around the niche and not around the product. Okay, so what else? Something really important. Remember, we are not going to be doing the hit and miss strategy. So what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be sending people to what we call a capture page. Okay. Nowadays, there are several tools that you can use to create your capture page. Okay. No worries. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need to be a coder. And this is not something super complicated. There is a tool that I recommend right now because you can start for free, which is called System.io. I'm going to leave a link below if you want to take a look. It has literally all the tools that you need for marketing. The reason why I'm recommending it, because I know that most people don't have the money to invest on pricey tools. Okay, so you need to have a capture page, and after the capture page, then you can go ahead and start. In my case, I use what I call a bridge page. Okay, there is a video, or it can be some text in which I'm going to be talking about the product or introducing people to a product or a service. And then we send this. Okay, let me move here. Okay, then we send them to the product page. So if they purchase, we're going to be earning a commission. But another thing is that since we already captured their email address, we can start sending them emails about the product. Okay, we can start sending emails about the product. But since already captured their emails, we are going to be also sending valuable information. So if you release a new article of your blog, you can send it the article. If you release, in my case, a new YouTube video, I can send them a YouTube video. If you are going to be doing an Instagram live, you can let them know that you're going to be live on Instagram. Remember what I told you before, the know, like, and trust factor. Okay. Another thing is that you can promote several products. Okay. So you're going to have what we call the core product. Okay. And remember, they are, in my case, I'm talking to runners. So I can let them know, like, hey, I have this outfit that is the best and improve by seconds your performance. I have these other running shoes. I have this special training. I have this membership area. There is this coach that is the best coach. I think you're already getting the idea. Okay? I'm telling them that there are other things that they can, do, use, or take to improve, in this case, the running skills, because I know that it's all about running. Okay, that's my niche. Okay, but there is another side of products, guys, if you really want to grow this, which is called the high ticket products. Okay, I'm gonna put HT. Okay, high ticket. So that means that these are products in which you're gonna be earning $500 a commission, $1,000 a commission, even more. Okay. And there is something really important, guys, is that you need to understand that people are gonna make the decision to purchase it based on the very first experience. So that's the reason why these companies have something that is called the value ladder, and I'm gonna explain to you how the value ladder works with a company that we all know. Okay, for example, Mac computers. Okay, they tell you like, hey, we have this iPhone. Okay, we have this iPhone that you can purchase. Okay, that's supposed to be an H that you can purchase for X amount of money. Okay, they go all the way to the top, in which they sell you, the laptops, the screens, apps. They also have recurring programs and all that stuff. So that's their value ladder. That's the same with affiliate marketing. Okay, there are programs out there who says like, hey, you want to learn something? Okay, you're gonna be paying $9. Okay, if you want to learn a little bit more, okay, the next product is going to be $97. Okay, it can be all the way to thousands of dollars, and you're going to be earning commission as an affiliate marketer on this. Okay, if you get three $1,000 commissions, that's going to be 3K. Okay, that's going to be 3K. Your only job, it's to introduce people to this product, to the $9 product. That's the only thing that you need to do. You need to introduce them to this $9 product. If people want to purchase something in which, they're going to be paying a monthly membership, let's say that this $97 is $97 per month, as an example, you are going to be earning commissions every single month. So that's another type of program that I like, the high ticket and the recurring commission. Okay. But your only job is here. It's just that. Introduce people to this program, introduce people to this benefit. Okay. There are going to be people who are going to be like, well, the $9 program, it is okay for me. There are going to be others who are going to be like, I don't want to take the continuity program. I don't want to be paying $97 per month, but there is a $1,000 product here that I want to purchase and it's okay with me. So you're going to be earning commission on this. And this is how you actually can earn $1,000 per day. You can earn $5,000 per day. Okay. So this is the way in which you are going to be, increasing your commissions by, number one, having a system, understanding this. Okay. The cool thing about the system is that you set it up once, and after that, it's going to be running for you because you just need 2 pages. Okay, these are literally the only 2 things that you're going to build: the capture page and the bridge page. That's it. Okay, after that, it's all about emails. Okay, and nowadays, the cool thing is that we can use a tool that is called ChatGPT, and with ChatGPT, you can let them know like, hey, I have this program that I want to promote. Please write me 7 emails about this. Okay, this is my target audience. Okay, this is the benefits of the product or the benefit of the service. Let me know which are going to be the subjects. Let me know what are going to be the body, and boom. Okay, nowadays it's way easier than before. Okay, and remember that you can promote as many products as you want. The other thing is that if you partner with a program or a company who has a value ladder, and even yourself as an affiliate marketing, you can create your own value ladder, because remember that we can have different, we can promote different programs, different products, different services. Maybe you are going to be promoting one that is low ticket, another one that is going to be recurrent, but it's going to be complementary, another one who is going to be high ticket. Okay, so guys, if you want to learn more about this, how to do this professionally, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Okay, it's going to be the very first link in the description. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, this is it for this video, and I see you on the next video.